You don't know me, but you did do a flutterby. Here you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Getting to know you. Getting to know all about you. You pick the position. Come on. I'll put it all the way to the end for you. Come on. Look, I'm all the way up here. I'm still bigger than you no matter what. So come on. This will be your first time. This will be awesome if you did. You're this playful, okay? You can do it. Today's the day for you. You can do it. Don't be afraid. I'll come to the side. Almost. How about this? I'm really accommodating. How about I do this for you? Bird on a wire? You feel safe with bird on a wire? Yes. You feel safe with bird on a wire. This is number 2.